अपने अपने विचार हमारे सामने रखें. Before we move ahead, I thank you very much to all the press delegates. My name is Ravindran Reddy. I take care of regional marketing for the EP region. There are many emotional thoughts which came from Farooq sir. Just to update, LG company produced microwave oven from the price range of 4,500 to 26,000 rupees to suits the requirement from mass to a class category. Objective is to spread the vibes for healthy cooking. LG Malikai Kitchen contest started way back, some 4 years back. This is the fourth year. This is LG Electronics annual property, and we started this concept with a thought process that we will spread the information and awareness towards healthy cooking. I think globally everyone is very much aware that healthy living is the sign for healthy family and healthy nation. And to support that, this is a unique contest which only happens in India. I think taking this inspiration from this contest, many of the TV soaps have started coming up. In fact, LG Malikai Kitchen also comes on television, which you may see in Color Plus. If you see, the season has already started in shooting. Next month onwards, you can see those on television. But that concept is little different than what we are doing here. That concept is a kadai versus microwave oven. So again, to spread, how can a same thing which can be made in a kadai can be made in a microwave with much more healthier way. Today, we feel proud that every year the number of contestants keeps on increasing. As Sir said that we should reach to more number of towns. Yes, this year if you look into all India, we have gone to 100 cities. Last year we were restricted to 70 cities. There are a lot of challenges, right from bringing people for one contest, because we need to support the women's with their companions. So there are a lot of logistics cost. But Sir has said for some contests in Siddipet, we commit that in the month of October we'll be doing such contests in your area. And Mr. Shrikant, who is handling that Telangana belt, he'll make sure that this is happening in October. For the press people, we will say again thank you very much. Every time you have supported LG in whatever unique thing we comes up. Thank you very much for your presence. Every time you have given a very positive vibe for us. Just to give you a fresh update, this round has happened after an effort of 2 months across AP region, where more than 350 participants came in our first round, where you prepare home and cook the dishes at home and come to the zonal round. And then the respective judge your first, who are the winner and the runner-up. Out of the 350, we selected 12 regional winners who came up for today. Coincidentally, 3 of the participants couldn't make up because of their personal issues. So today, 9 contestants participated today here. To be honest, we took enough time to decide on the winners. And we had good enough time to have a lot of brainstorming. Suma Garu, who is an expert, I think one most popular dish which was liked by each and everyone, in fact my gang of LG team members have already jumped onto that dish, was the egg halwa. Yes. I said a special recognition, and we are very happy that you have made it something. But just to update you, I'm sorry, but it will little hurt you. We decided in the contest that it should be a main course meal. Means a main course meal is a complete meal in which a lunch or a dinner can be done. It is a dessert, but it was an awesome dessert. We all loved it. So special recognition for such a wonderful dish. Thank you very much. Please be on the